How to delete your Phemex account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are on Phemex and wondering how to delete your account, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open the Phemex app or visit the Phemex website and sign into your account. Once you're inside logged into your account, before requesting the account deletion, make sure that you have closed any open positions or active orders, withdrawn your available funds, or checked for any pending transactions or account restrictions. Once you make sure of that, you can proceed with account deletion. Go to the top left corner from the home page and tap the human icon. On the next page, click on Security. Inside Security Settings, scroll all the way down and look for the Delete Account button under Account Management. Tap on it, and on the next page, click on this I have read and agree option at the bottom. If you proceed to delete your account, then what happens? You must go through these information at the top to be aware. Now, if you proceed and continue deleting your account, then you can still reactivate your account within 30 days. After the 30 days period is over, your account will be permanently deleted. So to continue your account deletion, click delete at the bottom right. And now you will be able to receive a 6-digit verification code sent to you via your email. Go ahead and check your email inbox for the code. Once you receive the code, go ahead and write it down exactly as it is inside your inbox. And right after you do that, you will be able to delete your account. After deletion is done, you can then go ahead and uninstall the Phemex app from your device and you are done. So that's how you delete your Phemex account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.